It is a frightening statistics. One study found that between 80% and 19% of African American women and 70% of white women will develop fibroids by age 50. That's a lot of women with this problem, isn't it? And yet, most women are not aware of these statistics. Another surprising study found the association between uterine fibroids and lifestyles, including diet, physical activity, and stress. So, the fact is that fibroids is a serious problem with excruciating pain and host of other issues. Fortunately, however, women like you can minimize the evil effects of fibroids if you know the 10 lifestyle changes we are about to discuss here. That's what this video is about. Are you thinking to remove painful uterine fibroids? Fibroids literally kill with its severe pain and non-stop periods. It ruins sex life and endangers the dream of becoming a mom. Fibroids are the number one reason for hysterectomy in the US. Each year, up to 500,000 women in the United States have hysterectomy. The real tragedy is that the removal of uterus doesn't give women freedom from fibroids. Here, you have to realize one thing: the fibroids itself is not a problem. The real problem is estrogen dominance. The removal of the uterus doesn't correct estrogen dominance, and therefore it will manifest in various forms, including ovarian cysts and breast cancer, endometrial cancer, uterine sarcoma, cervical cancer, and cancer of the ovaries or fallopian tubes often require a hysterectomy. So, fibroids is the symptom and estrogen dominance is the real problem. First and foremost, you have to realize that there is no fault with your body and therefore stop feeling bad about yourself. The environment you live, the diets you eat, and everyday products you use are responsible for estrogen dominance in your body. What it means is that the environment you live, the foods available in the market is bad, but not your body. If you can acknowledge this fact and take corrective measures, your body is capable of restoring its health and you will be free from not only fibroids but also other life-threatening diseases. Excess estrogen in your body feeds fibroids and therefore your fibroids grow bigger. So, unknowingly, you are feeding your fibroids regularly. Don't think that it is only a fertility problem. Excess estrogen will cause breast cancer, ovarian cysts, and other life-threatening diseases. Study after study has repeatedly shown that the majority of breast cancers in adult women are non-genetically linked, and upwards of 80% of breast cancer is caused by estrogen dominance. The good news is this: your fibroids will starve, shrink, and die. Once you realize this fact and take necessary lifestyle changes, your fibroids will starve, shrink, and die. You may have many questions in your mind. How to shrink fibroids with foods and lifestyle changes? Is the surgery only option for removing my fibroids? What are the foods and things to be avoided to shrink my fibroids? Let us discuss and figure out the right answers. Just imagine your fibroids causing you severe pain. You are experiencing a lot of inconvenience, even to pee and poo. Your sex life also getting affected. You met the doctor and they surgically removed your fibroids. You felt happy. But after a few months, you are once again diagnosed with fibroids. This time, you are not so scared about the surgery. This time also, the fibroid is removed successfully. Once again, you are relieved from painful symptoms of fibroids. And that is how you have had 3 surgeries. Still, you are not free from haunting fibroids. This time, your doctor removed your uterus as the fibroids coming repeatedly. After 4 surgeries, you have a sense of relief as you get rid of fibroids once for the all. You are thinking that all your problems are over. This is how fibroids victims are leading their life. But is it true you are free from all the problems? Do the surgeons remove the cause of fibroids? Fibroids grow because there is too much bad estrogen in your body. Estrogen feeds the fibroids and they grow bigger and bigger. So, the food for fibroids is estrogen. Estrogen comes from the foods you eat, the environment you live, and the lifestyle you adapt. The state of too much estrogen and too less progesterone is often referred to as estrogen dominance. Modern doctors removing the uterus left and right, but not removing the estrogen dominance. In other words, doctors only eliminating the consequence, but did not touch the cause of the fibroids. So you are never free from the consequences of excess estrogen unless you restore your estrogen and progesterone balance. Here are the risks associated with estrogen dominance: endometriosis, blood clots, elevated blood pressure, fibroid breasts, infertility, irregular menstrual flow, uterine fibroids, breast tenderness, mood swings, uterine cancer, hair loss, depression, weight gain, migraine headaches, spotting, breast cancer risk, insomnia, inflammation, abnormal pap smears, fluid retention, cramping, vaginal dryness, thyroid imbalances, decrease in memory, low or no sex drive, and many more. Now let me ask you a question. Which is the better, whether to remove fibroids or the estrogen dominance? Your doctor doesn't tell this fact to you. Your doctor straight away removes your uterus without considering estrogen dominance. Fibroids are the number 1 reason for hysterectomy in the US. Most of the highly intellectual women realizing the limitations of modern medicine and making changes in their lifestyle. I am sure you, being an intellectual woman, take the right decisions and protect your fertility and overall health. How to control estrogen dominance and shrink fibroids naturally? You have to make lifestyle changes. Pills and surgeries can't help you much. So, here are 10 lifestyle changes to make according to experts if you want to shrink fibroids and prevent life-threatening diseases. Here are 10 lifestyle changes. 1. Minimize high glycemic index foods. Foods high in glycemic index raise your blood sugar levels, which in turn increases the levels of estrogens. High glycemic index diet is one of the leading causes of estrogen dominance. So, avoid or minimize high glycemic index foods like white rice, white bread, rice cakes, French fries, and donuts. 2. Maximize low glycemic index foods. Low glycemic index foods reduce menstrual cramps and PMS symptoms. You will notice a substantial improvement in your energy level and moods. Here are some of low glycemic index foods: broccoli, cauliflower, zucchini leaf greens, beans and peas, humus sweet potatoes, apples, oranges, berries, meat and fresh eggs, milk, yogurt and cheese sourdough and pumpernickel bread, peanuts and other nuts, seeds, dark chocolate. 3. Maintain alkaline acid balance. For optimal cellular health, your blood pH must be slightly alkaline with a pH between 7.3 and 7.4. Our bodies are programmed to maintain this range. Even the slightest fall or rise in pH can have seriously dangerous consequences. The standard American diet is full of acidic substances and foods, meat, dairy, highly processed food products, and refined sugar. By eating a more alkaline diet like leafy greens, wheatgrass, veggies, sprouts, avocados, green juices, and smoothies, as opposed to an acidic diet high in animal products, processed carbs, refined sugar, energy drinks, etc., you can maintain pH balance and good health. So, minimize animal products, processed carbs, refined sugar, energy drinks, etc., and maximize leafy greens, wheatgrass, veggies, sprouts, avocados, green juices, and smoothies. 4. Maximize the consumption of raw foods. Take at least 30 to 40% of fresh vegetables and fruits every day. Fresh vegetables and fruits carry huge volumes of vitality when compared to processed and preservative foods. This one lifestyle change can bring a lot of change in your body and mind. Your body feels very light. Your mind feels calmness. 5. Eliminate food allergens. When the body's immune system reacts abnormally to something you eat or drinks, it is known as food allergy. According to Food Allergy Research and Foundation, 8 foods are responsible for 90% of food allergies. They are cow's milk, eggs, peanuts, fish, shellfish, tree nuts such as cashews or walnuts, wheat and soya. So, be careful about these allergic foods. Check whether any of the above foods are allergic to you and avoid them. 6. Start daily exercise program. Excess body fat, especially stored in the hips, waist and thighs, is one of the leading causes of estrogen dominance. So, exercise is a must that helps lower estrogen levels and control body fat. Shedding of excess fat is therefore a prerequisite to shrink fibroids. So, daily exercise is a must for you. Combine cardio with stretching exercises for maximum benefit. 7. Enhance your immune system. Every part of your body, including your immune system, functions better with healthy lifestyle. So don't smoke. Eat a diet high in fruits, vegetables and whole grains. Exercise regularly. Maintain a healthy weight. Control your blood pressure. If you drink alcohol, drink only in moderation. 8. Avoid plastic containers and cosmetics. Plastic containers and bottles contain xenoestrogens that imitate estrogen. They are found in many plastics. Plastic in all its forms, including water bottles, food wrap, and storage containers. So, store your foods and beverages in glass. Xenoestrogens are commonly found in many cosmetics, hair, skincare, and hygiene products. They are harmful because they are absorbed directly into your tissues. 9. Detoxify your body. This is the most important step to shrink fibroids. The liver is the body's largest gland. One of its major functions is to detoxify the entire body. If the liver is not working properly, the body will be filled with toxins and excess hormones. Estrogen is metabolized in the liver. Estrogen that is not metabolized by the liver will continue to circulate and exert its effect on the body. Herbs that detoxifies and strengthen the liver will help speed up the removal of excess estrogen, toxins, and other impurities from the body. If you are not conceiving, no matter what you do, toxicity in your body is one of the important factors behind your infertility problem. 5 herbs found in fertility cleansing kit cleanse liver and uterus and restore liver and uterus health. Restoration of liver and uterus health is therefore the secret of conceiving fast. 10. Maintain restfulness. Your body begins to use the sex hormone progesterone to make cortisol when you are chronically stressed. Low levels of progesterone lead to estrogen dominance. A daily dose of restfulness is necessary to maintain and restore our health. Here I am not talking about a daily dose of sleep. What I am talking is a daily dose of restfulness. Sleeping and restfulness are two different things. Restfulness is a state of quietness, and this is an opposite state of tension. You can sit and be in a state of restfulness or in a state of tension. You can perform your work in a state of restfulness or in a state of tension. You try to do every act in a state of restfulness if you are conscious enough. Learn the yogic skill of restfulness following yoga and meditation techniques. It is here the fertility yoga plan is helpful to you. The fertility yoga plan is all about 3 yogic techniques that could change your life. Got 30 minutes a day? That's all you need to shrink your fibroids and get pregnancy naturally. Link is given in the description. Bottom line. Estrogen dominance is the main culprit for your fibroids. High estrogen levels are believed to cause 80% of all breast cancers. Following the above 10 lifestyle changes, you can control the estrogen dominance and thereby shrink your fibroids naturally without surgery. What is the takeaway from this video? You can shrink your fibroids permanently and prevent life-threatening diseases following the 10 lifestyle changes discussed in this video. I end this video with a request to download our free report, How Not to Remain Infertile. In this short report, you will discover the right way to reverse infertility and conceive without struggling for years and trying hard. Every woman suffering with infertility problems should read this life-saving report. Link is given in the description.